Hello all, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing good, right? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face. Happy? Smiling? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and thanks for all the support from the viewers and the subscribers in the comment section. Thank you so much. Recently, Ola has launched Ola Dash to cater the needs of the daily essentials to its customers. You all know Ola is for booking rides, but it has spread its network across 500 dark stores and it's on a mission of delivering store to door 10 items in 10 minutes. There's free delivery available. There are many offers that are on Ola. You can visit Ola app and go to Dash to see the offers every day. I availed one such offer and ordered grocery 50% off MRP. As you see in the picture, these are the grocery items I have ordered. There was a prompt delivery from Ola app. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe please, and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram to know more of offers. Now I'll show you how to order grocery on Ola app. Go to Ola app, click on Dash. You'll see top deals on the home page itself. Every day these deals keep changing. You can scroll down to see the offers. When I was making this video, these were the deals that were available on the day. Have purchased it too with some grocery items also. I don't know whether these deals still are on, as they keep changing every day. You have different items in grocery section. You can go to fresh grains, oil and masala, and instant foods, snacks and beverages, personal care and home care. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering them. You can order your grocery according to your wish and want. Now, I have selected the Swad Atta, quantity 3, but it's showing that you cannot order more than that because have reached the maximum limit. You have to order 10 items. That is, add to cart only 10 items. After adding 10 items, it will say that you have reached the maximum limit. Now at that point of time, you can go to view cart and add your address and start ordering. From Ola Dash, there are no shipping charges. A grocery bag would be given. Just like Swiggy Instamart, you can choose your payment method, but there's no payment option available as cash on delivery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, Flying Skies One. And please, subscribe. Keep smiling.